holiday season is coming and some people have asked me what can I make that is special for my family. So here it goes. I'm going to make vegan mac and cheese and gluten-free. For the pasta, I used this from Barilla. It's made with one simple ingredient, red lentils, nothing else. That's how they advertise it. Just cook as instructed in the box. Then I cook some potatoes, carrots, and onions. Once this is cooked, I'm going to make the cheese with this. So this is already cooked, and I use 1/2 cup of water. And the same water I will use it for my cheese, to blend it. Going to pour everything in here. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of cashews. You can eat cashews, you can avoid this step. I know that cashews are not famous for being very hygienic. These are organic. I get them at Costco. And then I'm going to put some salt. You can taste it to salt, but I like to use 1 teaspoon. I guess I will put a little more, 1.5. And then I'm going to add some nutritional yeast. I buy the nutritional yeast at Whole Foods in bulk, it's cheaper. I'm going to put 4 of these. I don't really cook with measures, but more or less. I love paprika. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of this as well. And I'm cooking in real life, I am not measuring, I just do it by sight. So let me do it, the real thing. And then some onion powder, garlic powder. Something that will really put some flavor is some lime. I'm going to put 1 lime here, squeeze it. I see that this will need some more water, so I will add some more water. Maybe a cup of water will do. Let me put a lid here and blend it. This is a Vitamix. It blends very well everything. So once this is blended, let me taste this just to make sure that it has a nice flavor. Very, very nice. So we have the cheese here. All we need to do is pour it into our pasta. Boiled pasta. And I think that will do. Hope you can see. I will take a picture, I guess. Yummy mac and cheese. Stir it a little bit so it can get soaked through. So this will make for 18 ounces of pasta. And if you have left, like I will, you can save it and use it for other dishes, even on top of your salad. It's a very nice dressing. But once you taste it, you will know what to do with the sauce. This is it. I'm going to leave it in my slow cook because this dish is actually for a plant-based initiative at Northwest SDA Church in Crown Point. They have every Tuesday, every second Tuesday or every month, they have a plant-based initiative where they share plant-based dishes. You're welcome to come, everyone. It's for the community. I hope you enjoyed this dish. Give it a try. My children love it. God bless you.